How do I control the number of emails I get from Alignable? This is a common question, and I want to show you exactly where you go in Alignable to control it. You sign into Alignable, then click My Business in the upper right-hand corner, My Business. Then go down to Email Preferences right here. See that? Email Preferences. Then from there, you have several options: all notifications, important notices, no notifications, or even customize. You can control all of them. Then make sure to click update. Now I've grayed out some of my content here. Check the email here. Check the email and then check the message you're getting, because a very common thing is people sign up for 2 accounts or more under different emails, and then they're getting content from that other account. So this is a common mistake. If neither of those are the cause, and you've checked all of that, contact support at alignable.com. Contact them. I'm the Triangle Area Volunteer Ambassador, and this is important you get the level of notifications you're comfortable with. But contact support at Alignable, and if you can, try to get a screenshot or something like that, but double check this in here under Edit Account. I've had more than once someone goes, well, I set up the settings, I still get email, and then I go look to see where the email comes from, and then I hear, oh my, I have 2 accounts. Well, then you need to sign in under that other account and close it down if you don't want it, or change the settings or whatever else. It's best to have one account or Alignable, or you'll get really confused. If you found this useful, make sure to click subscribe and the bell to see future tips, and have a terrific day.